Welcome to Cloud Revolution. I am Mukesh and I will guide you through the process of creating a disk partition on Windows 11. So let us get started. Right now we are looking at a Windows 11 desktop, as you can see. So to create disk partition, we need to access disk management tool. So for that, you can right click here on the start button. You can access disk management here, or you can search it here, disk management, and you can select this. So let us select it. Right now, it is showing my disks on this computer. Right now, I only have C drive, as you can see, and we can confirm that by going to File Explorer. Let us go there. As you can see, only one disk here. So let us create one more disk from this C drive. So for that, we need to go to disk management tool, and on the C drive, we have to right click on it. So after right clicking it, we have to select string volume here, and it will show you how much you want to shrink. So I want to create 250 GB of disk size, 250 GB disk size. So I have to enter how much space I want to shrink here. So if you don't know, 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB, 1024 megabytes. So let me calculate that. Let me open a calculator. So this is my calculator. And I want to create a 250 GB that multiplies. And 1 GB is equals to 1024 MB. You can enter 1024 and you can enter. So this is the amount I have to enter to create 250 GB of this. Okay. So let us enter this. Let us enter this value. 256. Now click on string here. So as you can see, it created one disk here, and this disk is reduced. So from I think it was a 950 GB to 703 GB. And you can see here, if you refresh it, you can see it is also updated here. But right now it is not allocated. We have to allocate this space. So for that, we have to select unallocated disk here, select it, and then right click on it, click on new simple volume, then click next. So let us leave it as default. So if you, it is going to use all of this space, maximum amount. Click on next, and it is going to create this with this letter, or you can select any one of these letters, and C will not be there because C is already allocated. C letter is already allocated. So I am selecting D volume and click on next. Here also leave file system as default and allocation unit size is default. And if you want to rename this value, you can do that one here. So let us name it as files. Okay. I'm naming my volume as files. Now click on next and click on finish. As you can see, this 250 GB of space has been allocated. And you can verify that here also in the file explorer, this list has been created. So this is how you can create a new volume, guys. So if you have any doubts about creating this partition, you can always comment down below. And that's it, guys. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.